Hey guys, Maria here. Today, I'm gonna be doing something I haven't done in a long time. I'm gonna strip. Laundry stripping. So what is laundry stripping? The process of laundry stripping is removing all of the excess stain, odors, other detergents that you've used in the past that have left like a chemical residue. So even after a while when you've been washing your clothes, even if you've been using like the eco brands, sometimes you still need to go through and strip your clothes just to get rid of any like stain and odor that's not getting removed. So today I'm gonna show you how to laundry strip. All right, so to get started our laundry stripping, here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need a half a cup of white distilled vinegar, 1 capful size of the Truly Free laundry wash. You can use scented or unscented, it doesn't matter, but you definitely do need this. 3 scoops of the enzyme stain remover, which is gonna break up the tough stains that are built into the clothing and a lot of oil, so that's a must. And then we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of each. Borax, which is 100% natural, and the washing soda ash. So let's get started. And then hot water. All right, let's get a close-up of this water. So what we wanna do is mix this around really good, kind of like a little witch's cauldron. And I can already see that the water is turning color. These clothes are my husband's white t-shirts. They were all clean prior to going in here, but I could tell that there were, just some excessive oil smell still on it, some armpit little funk that needed to get clean. So I wanted to get these in here and show you. So the water, as you know, was completely clear beforehand. These just got in here. They've been sitting for just a few minutes and I can already see down in here, the water is starting to change color. So we're gonna let this sit. Typically for laundry stripping, you wanna do at least 4 hours, if not overnight. We're gonna let this sit in here. We're gonna come back and we will see what the water looks like. All right, guys, take a look at this water. This is disgusting. So this has been sitting for 4 hours. It is completely nasty. And I can't believe it. These are actually white shirts, but look how amazing this is. So this is like buildup residue, other laundry detergent residue that's been left on the clothes that we thought were clean and were not. So this is amazing. And it's, probably a little bit of oils, things like that, but this is all the residue stuff that we wear every day that, isn't good for us. So look at that. Look at that water. Ew, that is so gross. Oh my gosh. Stay tuned, guys, for more tips and tricks on how to use non-toxic products in and around your home. We'll see you soon.